Good morning, children. Today we will do some quiz questions related with the topic body and health, inside my body, and the third chapter family and friends. Okay? But before starting this quiz, children, first of all, I want to inform you that all the materials related with chapter 1, 2, and 3rd are also uploaded in e-learning. So during summer vacation, if you want to revise the things, you can see the video through e-learning. Okay, if you want, you can see the videos which I already uploaded in e-learning module. Okay, children. Now see here, quiz questions are given. So now you see that how many questions you are able to do by yourself. So children, can we start? Okay. Now see the first question. Which is not one of the five senses? Children, I already explained you about the sense organ and about the senses. So like sense organs, we also have five senses. Okay. The function which is performed by the sense organs, we call it senses. Okay. So in these four options, you have to find out that which one is not the senses. See the first one, sight. Second, hearing. Third, taste. And fourth, running. So which of the following is not the senses? Running. Clear, children? Now move to the next one. How many senses do we have as humans? So children, how many senses do we have? 1, 3, 4, 5. Tell me. We have 5 senses as human being. Move to the next question, children. The sensory organs are. So children, don't confuse in this question. Sensory organs means sense organs. So you have to find out in all these four options. See the first one, ear, eye, nose, tongue. Second, tongue, skin, ear. Third, eye, ear. Fourth, ear, eye, nose, tongue, skin. So what is the correct answer? Last one, because all the sense organs are given in the last option. Clear? Now see here. The largest organ in the body. Children, which is the largest organ in our body? See the option. Skin, eye, nose, tongue. So what is the correct answer? Skin. Why? Because skin is present in all the parts of our body. So it is the largest external organ in our body. Okay? Or you can say it is the largest organ in the body because it is present everywhere in our body. Now see the next question. The body part that lets a human smell. So children, tell me by using which part you are able to smell? Skin, ears, eyes, nose. By using your nose. Okay, nose is the correct answer. Now see the next question. The sense that lets the human receive order and sense. And sense. So children, you have to tell the name of sense, not a sense organ. Okay. So by which sense you are able to receive order and scent? See the option taste, smell, touch, hearing. So which sense? Smell. By smelling the things you feel the odor. Okay, you receive the order and sense. Now see the next question. The sense that lets a human experience flavor. In the same way, children, in this question also it is asking about the sense, not the sense organ. So by which sense human experience the flavor of the food? See the option taste, touch, feeling, hearing. By their taste, they experience the flavor of different food items. Clear? Now see the next one. Which of the following is not a sense organs? Children, I hope that you remember the name of all the sense organs. Yes? Now see, in this question it is asking which of the following is not a sense organ. See, ear, hair, nose, tongue. So which of the following is not a sense organ? Hair. Okay. Now move to the next one. Which of the following make muscular system? Children, yesterday only I explained you this about the bones and muscles. Did you remember that? Now see here, which of the following make muscular system? Bones, arms, muscles, hair. So what is the correct answer? Muscles. Muscles makes muscular system. Okay. Now see the next. Which of the following body parts is called storehouse of knowledge? So children, whatever the things you learn, or in which part of your body you store the information, you store your knowledge? Hand, eyes, brain, nose. Brain. Okay. Your brain is the thinking organ. Whatever the things you learn, you remember all the things because of your brain. So brain is also known as storehouse of knowledge. Okay. When I explained the chapter, I told you that another name of brain is thinking order, but we also called it storehouse of knowledge, because whatever the knowledge we have, we stored in our brain. Okay. Now move to the next one. Which of the following organ of body is protected by skull? Now see the options: stomach, lungs, brain, heart. So which organ is protected by skull, children? Which organ? Brain. Okay. Brain is present in which part of the body? Inside the head. Okay. And the bone which protect our brain, what is the name of that bone? Skull. Okay. Now move to the next one. Which of the following organ of the body is protected by skull? Sorry, this question is repeated again. Now move to the next. Which of the following organ is located in chest? Children, that also I told you. Which organ? See the option. Lungs, kidneys, stomach, brain. So which organ located in the chest? Lungs. Okay. Heart is not given in the option. So what is the correct answer? Lungs. Okay. Lungs is located in the chest. Now move to the next. Which of the following organ is not present in our body in pair? Okay children, see the question very carefully. Which of the following organs is not present in pair? Pair means two. Okay, so you have to tell the name of the organ which is not present in pair. Okay, only one organ is present. See here, ears. Ears is, we have two ears. Okay, so that means it is present in pair. Now second, tongue. How many tongue do we have, children? One. So that means correct answer, tongue. Now see the C option also. Hands. We have two hands. And kidneys, I already explained you, children. Did you see the previous video? Yes, in yesterday's video I explained you about the kidney, liver, bones and muscles, and that is very important video, children. You go through it. If you till now you are not seeing that, then first of all see the video of internal organs, okay, which I already uploaded yesterday. Now see the hand is also present in pair and kidneys are also present in pair. So what is the correct answer? Which of the following organ is not present in pair? Tongue. Okay. Now move to the next one. How many bones are present in our body? That also I told you yesterday. Yes, children. How many bones are present in our body? 200, 208, 206, 306. 206 bones are present in our body. Now see, which of the following is the sense organ? So children, four options are given. Tell me the name of sense organ: hair, tail, nail, eye. Which of the following is sense organ? Eye. Okay, correct answer, eye. Now move to the next one. Which of the following organ in the body is used to smell? So by using which organ, children, we are able to smell? Teeth, nose, palm, sole. By using our nose, we are able to smell. Okay. Now move to the next one. Your dash filter your blood and make urine. Children, in yesterday's video, I explained you about this. Did you remember? Your dash filter your blood and make urine. Which organ? Heart, liver, intestine, kidney. So correct answer, kidney. Okay. Kidney helps to filter our blood and remove the liquid waste from our body in the form of urine. Okay. So correct answer, kidney. Now see the next one. There are 4 members. Now these questions are related with the chapter 3rd, family. There are 4 members in my family. Ours is a dash family. Nuclear, big, joint, none of these. So children, 4 members are present in the family. So which type of family is this? Nuclear, big, joint, none of these. Nuclear. Okay, correct answer, nuclear family. Because nuclear family is also known as small family. Now move to the next one. My mother's brother is my mother's brother. You call it mama. Okay, in Hindi you call them mama. Okay, so what is the correct answer? Paternal uncle, maternal uncle, cousins, nephew. So they are your maternal uncle. Okay, because they are related with your mother's side. Okay, relative of your mother's side. So they are your maternal uncle. Your mama is your maternal uncle. Now see here, what do we not learn from our family? Good habits, customs, fighting with cousins, sharing with all. So what we have not learned from our family? Fighting with cousins. Okay. Now move to the next. What will you call the mother of your father? What will you call the mother of your father? So children, the mother of your father is your, what do you call them? Your grandmother. Okay, your father's mother is your grandmother. Now see there, next one. What do we learn from our family? Kindness, honesty, customs, all of these. So correct answer, all of these. Okay, we learn all the things from our family. Now see next, which one of the following is mismatched? See here children, options. Grandfather, grandmother, this is correct. Aunt, uncle, this is also correct. Father, son, maternal uncle, maternal aunt. So this one is the wrong answer, because father and what we have to write here? Mother. So what is asking in the question, which one of the following is mismatched? So what is the correct answer? Father and son. Now see here children, statement A. Paternal uncle is my chacha ji. Okay, see the statement 1A. Paternal uncle is my chacha ji. And maternal uncle is my mama ji. See the option, statement A is correct, statement B is correct, both A and B are correct, none of these. So children, what is the correct answer? Both A and B are correct. Okay, your paternal means your father brother. Okay, paternal uncle is your father's brother. Paternal uncle you call them chacha ji, and maternal uncle means your mother's brother. Okay, your mother's brother is your mama ji. So both the statement are correct. Now see here, who among the following is not a family member? Grandparents, uncle, teacher, father. Who among the following is not a family member? Teacher. Okay. Now see children, we have done this much question in today's quiz. Now you see that how many questions you are able to do by yourself. Have you count that how many questions you are able to attempt, and that is also correct? Okay, so children, you revise this video, okay, and try to solve all the questions by yourself. Okay, now all of you take care. Thank you.